Okay, hello, hi. So,
你好。
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 今天我们 today we're gonna talk about all our collectings about Pokemon and especially for Pikachu. So I'm Xinyu. This is Meishu. So, okay.
Yeah.
So maybe first we can introduce a little bit why we like this. So Meishu, why you like Pokemon?
I like Pokemon since I was a kid, and I was a huge fan of it. So I had like collection of games and cards and plush animals and everything. And so actually it kind of grew up on me, and therefore I just became a fan since my whole life. I think now I still have the same products since I was a kid now, and apparently they are like a huge value and they mean a lot to me. So it's like I kind of a piece of a childhood I have with me still. So it's very nice.
Which one is the first Pokemon thing you collect since you were young?
Oh.
You want to show us?
Yeah, I have actually a lot of cards, and I'm going to show it, but I have this is just a fraction of cards I have.
Which one is the oldest one?
Oh, the oldest one, I don't have it with me, but I have, and the nicest one, my favorite one I can show you. And actually that is this one, I can show you in the camera. This one.
Yeah.
This one, it's very rare, and it is originally from Japan. Yeah, it is Japanese cards. And I think I like this one as well. I think a lot of people know this, but it's a Mew cards, and it's originally since the Pokémon 2000 movie Part 2. And you get this free at the cinema, and actually a lot of people just throw it away or didn't use it or something, but actually this was kept pretty clean still. Like this. So actually cards are my favorite stuff, and
yeah, I can see you have so many cards.
Yes.
And especially, oh, what's that behind you?
Yeah, and this one as well. So since I was a kid, I used to still have like Pokemon merchandise in the bedroom as well. So
How
this is the
old
same.
is it now?
I think I was 4 or 5 or something when I still had it, and I'm still using it today.
It's still
so
good quality.
It's still good quality.
Made in
yes.
China.
Well, it says made in Germany. No. So that's the merchandise I use.
Yes. What else do you want to show us?
I have video games. So I have like the yellow version with, of course, Pokemon Yellow. Actually, I rented this, but I never gave it back to the store, so actually it's not mine. But
Don't tell.
They became bankrupt. So I got a green version with Pokemon Crystal. It's very cool, and of course the classic of the red Game Boy with Pokemon Red. Of course, this is like worth it. I don't know how much now. It's very nice. And then we got a silver Game Boy with Pokemon Silver, and I got actually more game, but it's just like the last one to wrap up. With Pokemon Blue. And I got some other games with some Nintendos and some games.
Yes.
And some
cards.
This? But, yeah.
Maybe you can tell something about this. So cute, this one. What's this?
So just let you guys have a look.
Yeah.
So I think the 90s kids will remember this, otherwise new people will remember this, but it's a Tamagotchi.
Yeah.
So it's a kind of small animal where you can take away in your pocket, and this is a small Pikachu. It's like a small computer game or something, and you need to take care of it. So you have to like feed Pikachu, give them food sometimes, or sleep, or you should give them a present, and you have to walk. Every time you walk, you get steps, and therefore it will raise the happiness of your Pikachu. So you have to take care of it every time, you know.
Do you still play it now?
No, actually no. I didn't play since the last 30 years, so it's a very old Pikachu now with a mustache maybe. But it's still with me and it still works.
I can see it still works.
Yeah. Yes. So sometimes it screams in the morning because it's hungry.
It wants food.
Yeah. So very nice stuff. I like it. And what else? Well, I've got some other merchandise like movies and games, of course. This is Pokemon Colosseum. I think most of you might remember. And I just did watch all of these TV shows and movies. And yeah, I think that's my part of it. Oh yeah, I still have like a collection book of all the rare Pokemons I have.
Yes, maybe this one interesting to show them. Yeah,
so maybe I can put it a bit closer. Like there are some rare ones, like the classical one though. So the older the cards, the more value, and the cleaner the cards, the more value as well. So So for example, this is a nice card, it's still very intact and it has a promo logo on it. So if it has like a special treatment, like a logo or a promo, then it's worth much more than it used to be. And this one as well, first edition, Kingdra.
Yeah.
So this is what I collect right now since I don't know for how long. So sometimes I buy still a package of cards.
Yeah.
And here you have a lot of Pikachus. So maybe
Yeah, it's my favorite page.
So I think we now come to a moment that you can talk about your Pikachu moments and you can share your thoughts about why you like Pikachu so much.
Okay, yes, now thanks for Meisu to introduce all the stuff from him. So now it's me. So basically I do like Pokemon, but I like Pikachu the most, you can see. These are all from me, I have a big one. Well, there's no specific reason why I like it. I think maybe because when I watch the Pokemon, like the Pikachu is always with a smile on. So maybe it brings me happy, you know, when I feel sad or something. I just look at Pikachu and smile and make me happy. So that's why I really love the Pikachu, the character. So I'm not totally crazy about it, but I do when I see something about Pikachu, I will go a little crazy.
And it looks cute, right?
Yes, and also I really love this one. I will try if I can find. Of course, cannot find original one, but maybe I will just find something like this. So I want to also feed Pikachu every day. Since I cook, I also cook. I'm a chef, so I also need to feed Pikachu. Okay, so yes, and I really love all the stuff, and also Meisu gave me a gift. It's Pikachu and Psyduck. This the two characters from Pokemon I like the most. Yes, and thank you for sharing everything that today showing us, and hope to see you next time. Next time we're gonna have more stuff, and we will show other stuff about Pokemon Pikachus. And thank you, Meisu.
Thank you too. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cheers. Oh, nice
Okay.
doing. I mean,
Sorry. Here. Happy?